Hello friends, myself is Vani, founder of Jnanamitra Foundation. I would like to tell you what is this Jnanamitra is about. I received a vision in conversation with Babaji that Jnanamitra is purpose is to telecast everything in English and it has to reach to the corporate people. Jnanamitra will be competitor for Mind Valley. It will be even more than the Mind Valley. In Jnanamitra, we will share spiritual wisdom which will touch many people's hearts and inner transformation happens in them. This is traveling for the people to make them journey from known to unknown and a source of inner guidance, how to get connected to the source of inner guidance and spiritual transformation happen in them, and how to get connected to the higher self through meditation technique. Our agenda is to bring spiritual awareness, mindfulness living in youth. So today I invite Ankur Agrawal. He is a young and dynamic student. He is recently passed out a graduate from Jain University, Bangalore, and he is an international basket player. He played 3 times internationally and national player. He is also awarded in JJ Institute of Mumbai. So I welcome you, Ankur. Here we have Ankur today.
So, hello everyone. I'm Ankur, आपका अपना दोस्त. So, I'm 21 years old. I've recently graduated and currently moving towards professionalism in the career. So, I'm here to talk about on a topic law of attraction. So, let's understand what is law of attraction basically. See, if I say law of attraction means like energy attracts like energy. If I'm saying law means nobody can change it. It is already proven. Let's compare this particular law of attraction with law of gravity. See, if I have a particular thing, if I throw up in the air, it will definitely fall down. It will definitely fall down. You cannot change it because it is a proven. I'm proving it in front of you. Similarly, we can compare this law of gravity to law of attraction. Law of attraction also goes in a similar way. For example, see, universe doesn't know that you are thinking in a positive way or a negative way. It is definite that what you are thinking, you will become that. We always used to listen in our childhood, no, that okay, you do this, you will get this, you do this, you will get this. But we don't have any other imagination behind it. We just want it, that's why we go and like grab it. We don't know how to like imagine for that particular thing. So I will explain more about it. I saw this movie called Secret. So when I saw this movie called like Secret by Rhonda Byrne, like this is the book written by Rhonda Byrne. So when I went to this book, I got to know that the power of what is the power of law of attraction. I was knowingly or unknowingly I was following this from a childhood. I didn't know about it, but I was doing it. How? I will share with you with an example. I was in class 5th. I started playing basketball. In class 6, I represented my school in district level. At that point of time, my dream was not to become a player. My dream was to become like to take that particular experience of my life, what I am looking at my mobile phone. At that time, I used to watch television. So at that time, NBA games used to come, like basketball games used to come in television. So in television, what I used to feel that okay, I have to reach at that particular height. So to reach to that particular height, I want to see them first, how they are playing. I want to meet them first. I want to get the training from them. So this was a dream in class 6th. By the time I reached class 12th, I got my first opportunity to go to Europe, Estonia. There I visited and there I played. I stayed for 20 days. I stayed there. I played. I gained experience. I then again when I came to college, I again went to USA and I achieved my dreams. But I achieved my dreams at that point of time because I thought in class 6, and by the time when I came to class 12, that particular dream was achieved because I dreamed about it, I thought about it, and I acted in a particular way. Similarly, like painting. I also did paintings. I never believed that my paintings will be sold or I will be awarded for my painting. But when I started doing painting, everybody appreciated me, and when everybody started appreciating me, from out of the blue, nowhere, I don't know, from somewhere, I got an opportunity to participate in JJ Institute of Applied Arts. I I applied there. I was awarded there. That was a moment where what I dreamed and it came true. So see, basically, I gave this much example not because like I just dreamt about it and it happened. No, it didn't happen like that. So if I am telling that if I achieved this thing, so this doesn't mean that I just dreamt about it and I got that particular thing. No, it doesn't happen like that. Law of attraction says you that the way you think you will achieve like that. Okay, so the basic thing is, if I'll tell you like this, that okay, close your eyes and don't think about mango, you will automatically think about mango, because your brain doesn't know the definition. The power of subconscious mind doesn't know the definition of no, not, do not, don't, because you don't have any picture of that. If you keep saying don't beat, don't do this, don't do that, you are telling him to stop, but he will do it again and again. Same way happens with you. The way you think, you will get it similarly. If I have think that okay, in class 6 I was being able to represent my school in the district level, so at the time when I came in 12th, I was being able to represent my nation in some other country. So how did this happen? I think, I believe it, and I felt it, that okay, I am going there, like, I'm already feeling that happiness, that okay, I'm already achieving it. When I used to watch any television, I used to feel that okay, I am sitting there in the stadium and watching the match. Okay, if I can watch the match, I can meet that person too, I can take the training from that person too. I was thinking at the same point of time, and I was imagining at the same point of time, okay, that this is happening true. I was not telling that okay, like when it will be fulfilled, like when will I get this thing. Like I was not telling in a negative way. There's a form of saying, when you change yourself, you can change anybody. You have heard about this, no? So change yourself in what? We know how to expect things from others. Similarly, when we expect things from us in the sense that okay, I want to reach at that particular point of like particular stage, so I will think about it. When you give it a negative approach, do you think that you will be able to reach at that point? If you, for example, if I say, oh God, I should not have any problem, I am going there. This is a negative approach, because problem itself is a negative word, and brain doesn't know the meaning of no. I should not have, not. Brain doesn't know the meaning of not. Jab brain doesn't know the meaning of not, and you are telling that I should not have any problem, then problem will automatically occur. Same way, if you say that oh God, I'm going there, I know I will not have any problem, that same point of time you are gaining the confidence of self, where you are telling yourself that okay, I am there for you, that okay, I am here. No, you don't need anybody. When you bring the word problem, automatically you need someone else. Automatically you become dependent upon someone else. Automatically you need someone to climb, because in problem you obviously need someone to solve it. So this law of attraction, how it works, it depends upon your thinking process. How you think, you take it in a negative way and do it in a negative way, तो वो वैसे ही होगा. It will happen like that. Okay, so I would like to say about like the three things which comes inside law of attraction. See, every time from childhood since today, we have been told that okay, think like this. I'm talking about law of attraction, only thinking. See, thinking plays a big role, but thinking cannot cannot bring what you want. Exactly. How? I will prove it. See, when you think that I want this, I want to become a man, I want to become a big man, I want to earn a lot of money. If you are like closing your eyes and imagining yourself that okay, I am sitting here and suddenly the money starts raining, is it possible? No, na. Similarly, you need to be practical in your approach. First, ask. There are three things. First is ask. When you ask, you make a wish to the universe. You make wish towards yourself. You ask from yourself. You make a goal. When you ask to yourself, suddenly you start picturizing that thing inside your brain. When you start in picturizing inside your brain, at that point of time, you organize that what is your goal. Then second comes believe in it. When you know that you have to become a man, when you know that you have to become a like you have to reach at a particular height, so by thinking you cannot reach, no, you have to do something, no. When you have to do something, when your goal is set, when you're looking yourself at that particular position, so you have to work, you have to take a first step, no. Even a baby also like first crawls and then he used to stand and then walks, no. So you need to take a first step to grow. If you have designed your goal, if you have asked to the universe, if you have already designed what you want, you are believing in it, the third thing comes, feel it. If you believe in it, feel it. If you want to go to that particular point and you want to become professional, if you want to be like work in a professional way, you have to inculcate the behavior of professionalism. If you are in a corporate world, you want to become a professional, you have to believe yourself that okay, you are professional. When you dress up like a professional way, when you talk to a person in a professional way, when you feel that you are professional, automatically the universe will help you to become professional. This is how law of attraction works. Law of attraction doesn't mean that only think this will happen. No, think and do. Don't do and think. When you just do it without any goal, it will not gain anything. You need to have a goal first. If you want to make a profile picture in your Instagram DP, first you imagine, no, first you close your eyes and imagine, no, okay, my screen is black and my DP is like in a circular motion, so I have like what pose will suit my DP. You imagine it, no, and then you go to your gallery and then you just select it, no. First of all, you just need to design your goal. Ask it first, believe it, then feel it. Then you see how universe is gonna. I am telling you that if you start believing today, don't expect that it will come true within 20 days, 21 days. No. It depends upon you that how strong is your belief, how strong you are believing it, how strongly you want it to come true, how determined you are to do that work. This all depends upon law of attraction, because you are doing that thing because you want that thing. You want that thing because you're thinking it, and the same thinking you are attracting it. If I'm telling you you are unhappy and I'm telling you that okay, just see this, just see that, just see it, just see, like you are crying and I come to you and I give you a teddy bear, automatically the amount of unhappiness you were having inside you will be lessened down, will be minimized. It all depends on thought. It all depends on thought. So basically, law of attraction, it's up to believe it in it or not, but law of attraction plays a very very vital role in each and everybody's life, because the way you think, the way you become. Even today, if you are listening me, even today what you are in life, it is because of your thinking. You just see it. Just close your eyes, sit and express, think, talk to yourself. Yourself will answer you. I will normally tell normal one more example about me. I was sitting here in my home, and like from last 2 months I'm alone here in Bangalore, and I'm just exploring myself. So within my exploration, I talk to my pillow, I talk to my curtains, I talk to my home, I talk to everybody. I used to cook myself, I used to do everything myself, because I got to know that okay, this particular, I was here alone. Nobody was here. Nobody was here. So what happened? Nobody will come in my bad times to like you know happy me or like just console me. I know that I am all alone and I want to do it. I am all alone and I have to do it. So my thinking was okay, I am all alone. I wanted this freedom. I wanted it. I am leaving it alone. Everybody called me and said that, bro, are you in depression? Bro, something happened with you? Bro, are you okay? And literally you will not believe, I was all okay because this depression, anxiety and everything, this was not bothering me at all, because I was into some other state. I was not thinking how they were thinking. I was thinking how I want to become. I was working on what I want to do forward. This is how I am changing my life. This is why I am here. This is how law of attraction works. If you think, you need to do. Don't do before thinking. First think. You need to ask first. You need to imagine yourself first. You need to gain that experience, that knowledge, that particular skills in yourself first. Then only the universe will give you whatever you want, if you are capable for it and you feel it from inside. This is what is law of attraction. I felt. Any questions or any doubt? What do you felt about what is like any? You want to ask something?
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah. If suppose I want to ask for a youth point of view, if they are searching for a job and they are not getting placed, how this law of attraction will help them? How to work with this principle?
If they are searching for job
and they are not getting placed.
Okay.
So how this law of attraction helps them? In what way they have to work on themselves?
It's simple. If they are not getting job today because they are thinking that okay, मेरे को ये मिल जाए, like I want to get it. I want it to happen with me. They are feeling like this right now. If they really want that job, job to happen, they need to develop that particular skill what the company requires. First of all, this is the basic thing. Even you see it in your particular entire career, or I am growing up, so I am also experiencing. If I don't have if I cannot speak in front of you, then how can I make this video? Similarly, this simple thing goes with job thing. If a person wants job, first that person should know what the company wants. If that particular company wants that particular thing and they develop that particular skill in themselves, who can stop them to take that job?
Generally, how it happens is, for an interview, there will be so many people who will be coming with similar qualified profiles, who are qualified for similar. If suppose there is a one post and there will be 10,000 applicants who are qualified, who will be with similar profiles, and how that one person who will make that chance. So can you focus on law of attraction in this scenario?
I believe that even if you are available, like I will like quote this example with one movie called Gunjan Saxena, which has been released yesterday itself. If you have watched it, then I would like explain with that movie. See, it's similar. It's like if you have, there was one girl in Gunjan Saxena, that particular girl was one, and with her there were 10 male officers. She was female officer, one female officer in whole battalion. She got the courage to fight in the Kargil war, no?
Yes.
Then there is a 10,000 applicants. 10,000 in 10,000 applicants, it is not necessary that everybody will get it. Everybody cannot get that particular thing. If job is for one place, so one person will get it, no? And if I have to clear that, like if I have to clear the race of that particular 10,000, I have to focus that what is the requirement? What is my competitor doing? What skills that other people have? What new can I have? The way you speak or the way you present yourself also matters. Sometimes it happens that you have 500 placements and you have issued thousands of applications and you have to choose. Sometimes if you get good number of for your entrance or for your viva and something, sometimes it happens that the company HR or the company people, they take that particular person even they have slot or not, because that person has that particular knowledge inside him. So the law of attraction, if I come to law of attraction, how it works here, law of attraction can work here the way you can expect from that thing. Expectation in the sense the way you think you want to achieve it. For example, you know that you have 10,000 of applications, you know that at least you have to come within 500. So you have to prepare yourself, no, so you have to think yourself, no, if I'm going in a CA examination and I'm sitting there, so I have to write creative answers, no, so I have to write point to point answer, no, I cannot manipulate there, no. If you are manipulating your skills, if you are manipulating your own personality, or if you are, in order to get that particular job, you are changing yourself, who you actually are, do you think you can pass any test in your life? So this is business. If you want to succeed in business, it is normally that you have to feel like that, you have to generate the sense of skills for that business, like that you need to start talking to that particular people, you need to start focusing on what you want, and that's how you will achieve it.
Thank you, Ankur, for a wonderful explanation. It was so nice and it gave very good clarity. But here I would like really to ask, nowadays youth have so much of tough situations in making decisions or handling the situations. So what thing helped you to be in peace, to achieve things?
See, first of all, I started believing in myself. I would clearly say you one thing. The time this corona happened, I went to my home. I stayed there for 2 months. I came back to Bangalore, or here also I stayed for 2 months. I can see the change what I have gained. I can see the differences what I have like brought up inside me. How this happened? This happened just because I feel it from inside that okay, I if everybody say me it, if everybody praises me so much, if everybody like appreciate me so much, then okay, there is some X factor inside me, no. So why cannot I believe in it? If then when I started living alone, I started believing in my X factor, I started believing in what I want actually from my life, because when I started alone, there was nobody to manipulate. Even if you are there inside your home sitting right now, you have anybody, some or the other person is there near you to manipulate your thinking or situation. Here I am completely alone, I don't have anybody to manipulate my situation. Whatever I feel, I know this is true me. If I am staying with my friend, I know that if I want to drink Pepsi, I cannot drink Pepsi because that particular person needs Fanta. I need to adjust between Sprite and I need to adjust with Sprite. Simple. But here, if I want to drink Pepsi, I can drink. But here, if I want to go, like if I want to achieve that particular path in my life, if I'm saying that I'm moving towards my professionalism, so moving towards professionalism, so I'm working towards my like gaining that particular thing, no. I'm working on my skills, I'm believing on myself, doing everything on my own, because there is a simple logic that I have like engraved inside my head. And that particular logic is what, that the thing is, you came alone in this world and you have to go alone. That's it. You came alone, you came in this world without a single cloth, and you will go alone without a single cloth.
Thank you, Ankur, for a very beautiful explanation. Here I just remember the story of an Alexander the Great, who conquered the world, but he had given a very great message to this world by asking his hands to be kept outside of the barrier, so that when he came alone, we leave without taking a single. Thank you, Ankur, for a very beautiful explanation. Here I just remember the story of an Alexander the Great, who conquered the world, but he had given a very great message to this world by asking his hands to be kept outside of the barrier, so that when he came alone, we leave without taking a single penny with us. So I really love the session, but I want to ask one question: from how long you are doing meditation, and how meditation helped you to bring transformation in your life?
See, generally, I feel that my mom and my dad and my family and all surroundings in my area, everybody is into meditation. Okay, I feel that, see, meditation is not that what you are doing, like what you are sitting and like going inside yourself and like just imagining. No, that is like, see, meditation can be explained in a different ways. It can be put it in a different like methods. Your method of meditation is okay, it is also good. My way of meditation is what I used to do. According to me, what is meditation is how meditation has helped me is, I used to sit alone. I used to keep my mind like full peace. I used to keep a music in front of me, and I used to think what I have to be in life, what I have to achieve, where I think, what I feel inside myself. I used to praise my hands. I used to give, I used to thank my body. I used to thank my surroundings that you are giving me such peace environment for me. I'm not going into like any like going anywhere. I'm just there inside my body. I'm just talking to myself in a peace zone where I am getting peace, where I am visualizing myself that I'm growing. I am like climbing steps. I'm going towards a higher self. This is what is meditation for me, and I used to do it whenever I have time. And I love this therapy because for me, this is a therapy. Because in our life, in our corporate life, in our normal day to day life, we do not get time to talk to ourselves. If you cannot talk to ourselves, how you think that you can connect to God? First, try to talk to yourself. If you try to talk to yourself, then you can automatically talk to God. If I can sit here and talk to my curtains, my pillow, my bed, my all non-living thing, if I can talk to them, anybody can do it. Even they have energy, no? Even we say non-living thing. I'm telling you, no, subconscious, the power of subconscious mind doesn't know the meaning of non-no. Even they are living beings. Even they are not human, but they are living. No, we say non-living. No, okay, the living word is there. No, if I can talk to them, they can give me the reply. Then anybody in this world can talk to. Anybody can fulfill their dreams. First, try to talk to yourself. And I'm telling you, if you try and talk to yourself and you try to accept yourself in a way you are, and you try to like imagine yourself in the position you want to reach, I'm telling you, definitely you will. Definitely you will.
Okay, thank you, Ankur. Thank you, Ankur, for a very wonderful session and a very beautiful explanation. It really seems that your transformation, inner transformation, happened in you. So this is the very friends. This is a very good message to this world from a very young and dynamic personality who had fulfilled all his dreams at very young age. He was an international basketball player. He achieved an art. Whatever he wants, he can achieve it. Then why not you? So how he achieved it? He get connected to that source of inner guidance. So how this source of inner guidance has brought him this spiritual transformation in him. So let us sit. For everyone, I request, close your eyes, clasp your hands, Let us get connected to that source of inner guidance. Clasp your hands. If you are sitting on chair, just cross your feet and just observe inhaling and exhaling of breath. It's very simple and easy. Be with the breath. If any thought comes, just cut the thought. Be with the free flowing of breath. Slowly inhale, slowly exhale. Just witness the breath. Everything is within you. In ignorance, we feel we are trying, we are searching outside. If you get anger, that anger is not outside, not because of that friend who had made you anger. It is because your inner thing has acted, your inner being has expressed. So everything, even the happiness, joy, peace, calm, everything is within us. Just be with the breath. Feel complete relaxation in your body. Feel complete relax in your muscles. Just observe the breath. Just be with the breath. Be with the free flowing of breath. Get connected to that source of inner guidance, which will always keep you in right path at right time. Go deeper and deeper within yourself. Everything can be achieved only by making a traveling towards your own inner self. That is through meditation. This is Anapanasati meditation. Ana means inhaling, Apana means exhaling. It's very simple and it can be practiced anytime, anywhere. Even if you're traveling in bus, you can sit and meditate. One can practice meditation as per one's age. If you are 20 years of age, just 20 minutes of meditation. All your struggles, all your failure will wash away. You will get clarity over your life. You will have right decision-making system. Just be with the friends. Just be with the breath. Last 1 minute. Will slowly keep your hands on your eyes. Slowly you may open your eyes. So we would like to thank Ankur for a wonderful session. He has really taken his journey towards a success. He had taught us how to live successfully. Friends, even if somebody is searching for a marriage, if you are struggling to get a right bride, you can apply the law of attraction and you will see transformation in your life. You will achieve the things which you want to achieve. Even the position in a job, career, anywhere, you can apply this principle of law of attraction. Even if you want to create abundance, happiness in your life, abundance, money, everything can be applied by this principle, law of attraction. So we will thank Ankur Agrawal for this wonderful session. Thank you.